Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Kevin's Live. If you want to learn how to do these delicious potatoes, watch this video. Beautiful crushed potatoes cooked in loads of butter. Just exactly what I'm looking for. So these are actually pre-cooked potatoes. You just get the back of your knife and squish them down, like so. Just put a little bit of rapeseed oil in your pan and place those in. And you kind of want to get a nice bit of colour on those. Just like that. And you know, you always have a couple of potatoes left over from dinner the night before, so these like just cooked the next day with a lovely fried egg on top of it. It's a great lunch or even a great breakfast.
And could you serve them as a side as well for a roast, for example?
Yeah, exactly. They're perfect for that. But even if you don't have leftovers, you can just cook your potatoes, let them cool down, and do this because they are simply delicious. So, again, just the garlic, just crush it, leave the skin on, it's fine. And we have some rosemary going in there. And the smell of that is just unbelievably good. So. A good bit of cracked black pepper and salt. Just turn those over.
Can you add any meat if you want to make it as just one dish?
You can, you some of your favourite sausages, just chop them up small and throw them in. Even a little bit of bacon in there is really good. But this is where the magic happens. You put in your butter. And this is really going to caramelise the potatoes and add loads of flavour to them. But if you just look at those, like they look fantastic, yeah?
Yeah. Can you put too much butter?
No, you can't put too much butter, Julian, you know that. What?
I'm just asking in case.
Seriously? Not in my books anyways.
And why do you add butter and not just oil?
Well, the butter has got, you know, it's got that cream and it's got salt in it and the butter oil. And it's just, the flavours are just like really, really good. And it literally just breaks down and gives this kind of lovely nutty flavour to the potatoes, which is exactly what you're looking for.
Can you use this technique for other food, or?
What's that?
Can you use this technique with other food?
Yeah, well, this is how, like, if I was cooking a steak, I would cook it the exact same way and then put butter in at the end and kind of do exactly that. You can just see that's just got to cook away there nicely, and you'll end up with that lovely crispy potatoes. They're so good. Look at that, Julian. Huh?
It's very nice.
Do you like those, Julian?
Yeah, it's gonna be perfect with a lunch.
Yeah, exactly. And then you put all the bits on top there as well. There you have beautiful crushed caramelized potatoes.